Now that you're feeling like a pro in the backbeat, let's compose a different beat based off of it. So we'll start with our normal backbeat. Now we have two options. We can either add notes in, or we can take away some of the notes that are already there. Let's start by adding something. I'm going to add in a bass drum beat on the and of 2. First, let's clap that. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now let's try playing it in the bass drum just by itself. 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 Now you can build this in at your own pace, but when you're ready, try all 3 parts together.